Hey guys, Richard Miller here with another 2-minute type tip, and today I'm going to be going over alternates. And basically alternates are exactly what they sound like. They're characters that are an alternate character for different letters in a font that you might already have. So we'll get into it. Basically, this here is a font that I designed called Uniform Pro, and it's got alternate characters in it, and the way you access them is you go to the Open Type palette, and then you go down here to this little thing with the AA, and it's called Stylistic Alternates, and when you click on it, some of the letters turn into a different letter, and when you turn it off, they go back to the way they were. So for instance, this G here, you can see is a smooth curve, and then when I turn the alternate on, it's got this vertical stem right here. And then when I turn it off, the A by default is a 2-story A, but when I turn the alternate on, it's a single-story A. This is a really cool feature that allows you to have sort of 2 fonts in one. Here is another font that I designed. This is called Tactic Sans, and there again, if you click on the Stylistic Alternates, you can see the alternate characters. And if you turn it off, it goes back to the normal ones, and you can really get some dramatically different results from one font. And another alternate way to access these alternates is if you just simply highlight over the letter. If it has an alternate character, you can click on it there. Now this M, for instance, has no alternate, so when I highlight over it, nothing shows up, but because the A has an alternate, it shows up, or the R has an alternate, it shows up. So that's another way to access those alternates. So that's alternates, pretty simple concept, but it can really produce some pretty cool results. So, and like I said, a lot of open type fonts that you already have include those, or most of the fonts that I design include some alternates as well. Hopefully you learned something here, and subscribe to this channel so you can get some more 2-minute type tips. I try to do at least one video about every week. Hope this helped, and have fun designing.